going on, guys? I'm Weird Ryan. This is the world's largest toilet, and today we got Nickelodeon slime. Pink Nickelodeon slime. Oh yeah. You guys ever seen this on TV? Where they pour it on people? Ugh, that was horrible. Can you smell it?
Ew, it's
It
gross.
does smell bad.
It's probably really good to pour on yourself, I'm sure.
Yeah, I probably shouldn't do that. I'm gonna get inside, I'm gonna pour some in, and then we're gonna flush it out. Let's do it. Very good. Oh. I dread this every time. It's so cold. There we go.
It's so pretty. You see it? Yeah. Dang.
There's a lot left in there. This is ridiculous. Alright, I think that's it. Come look at this. On the bottom of this. Look at that.
Ew.
Oh. You know, it's literally slippery on the bottom.
Oh yeah, there's slime down there.
Alright, let's flush. 3, 2, 1. See ya. Dang, that was a mess. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below what you want to see me get into next. And check out my other channel. It'll be linked below. And that's it. Peace.